Birria chimichangas. Yes, you heard me correctly. That is what we are about to whip up today. What it do, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another banger for you guys. Man, when I tell you this is off the hinges, believe me. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's not waste no time. Let's get started. So these are some of the ingredients that we're going to be working with today. Yes, all of them will be down in the description box, so you don't have to worry at all. All you have to do is just scroll down. It will be right there waiting for you, okay? So we are going to begin by cutting up these dried chilies, cutting off the top basically, then removing all of the seeds on the inside, okay? You want to do this until you have all of your chilies, you know, cleaned out, no seeds remaining. If you have a couple here and there, no big deal, don't worry about it. And guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and drop a like for your boy. It takes no effort at all. If you're rocking with me, please hit that like button as we continue on with this recipe. So now we're just gonna take a medium-sized onion, and what I'm doing is just cutting it down to about 4 pieces, because mind you, all of this is gonna end up going in a blender, so you do not have to chop it finely, okay? And we are also gonna take a whole head of garlic, and we are gonna break it down. We need each and every single one of these cloves, so go ahead and do your thing. Get all this prep work out the way, break it down, break it down, break it down. So you want to go ahead and get a pot of water to a rolling boil, and you're going to toss those chilies in there. What we're looking to do is bring some moisture back into these chilies. We're not looking to like cook them or anything. We're just bringing some moisture into them so we can toss them in our blender just like so. And we are also going to toss in the remainder of our ingredients, which are the onions, the garlic, the chicken bouillon, the diced tomatoes, the chipotle chili inside of the adobo sauce. You're gonna get all of that in this blender, as well as a splash of chicken broth to kind of bring a little bit more moisture into it so it could blend properly, okay? So once you have everything in this blender, go ahead and hit that button and let it get to work. And I know for a fact that some birria recipes can be a little intimidating because all of the steps involved, but guys, this is foolproof. This is easy. You can get this done. You can enjoy the amazing flavors that we are speaking about, the amazing flavors that I'm about to enjoy. You can do it as well with no effort. I'm trying to let you know it is not hard at all, guys. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be munching down on some birria chimichangas just like your boy. So we are going to move on to these beautiful boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I know you're going to ask, yes, you can use chicken breast, but personally, I love chicken thighs, guys. I have a personal preference. I just prefer them, okay? So once you're done drizzling a little bit of olive oil on them and you massage it all in, go ahead and season it proper with the seasoning listed on the screen. Okay, go crazy, go ham, because you know the model, you know what it is. So yeah, if your chicken ain't seasoned like this, please kindly send it all the way back to the farm where it came from, because I don't want it. So I have my pan nice and hot, and I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil in there. And what I'm looking to do is just get a nice beautiful sear on our awesome, well seasoned up chicken thighs. Go ahead and do that. Get a nice sear on both sides of this chicken. So go ahead and spoon in that beautiful chili sauce on top of this chicken. Do not worry about how thick it is, because we have yet to add in our chicken broth, and we are going to add in about 3.5 cups of chicken broth to this. Go ahead and stir that together, get it talking to one another. We are also going to add in a couple sprigs of thyme as well as a couple bay leaves. You are going to top this off, and you are going to let it go at about a medium low for about an hour and 30 minutes. Once the time is up, this is how you should be looking, guys. It's hard to even, transfer the chicken out of this pot because they are just falling apart, guys. Falling apart, full of flavor, guys. Oh my goodness. How good does that chicken look? So go ahead and transfer all this chicken into a bowl so we can break it down, guys. And this chicken is so tender, you don't need no fork to shred it apart. All you need is a spoon, okay? So go ahead and bust that chicken down just like so, okay? So we could get it ready for our Birria chimichanga. And on the screen, you see me just spooning some of that sauce onto the chicken. That's just to keep this chicken nice and moist. You know what I mean? While we're breaking it down, you want to keep it nice and juicy. That's all I'm doing here, okay? And godly, look at this chicken, man. It looks so good. I don't know if you see what I'm seeing, but man, what I see is flavor, guys. And we are about ready to go. We have our chicken, we got the sauce, we got our tortillas. This is a flour tortilla, by the way. We have some diced up onions mixed with some cilantro, as well as some mozzarella cheese. And we are ready to rock, okay? Go ahead and grab the tortilla, dip it in that sauce just like so. Make sure it's well coated up. Shake off the little excess, okay? And being that this is a big old, tortilla, be very careful. It's fragile. You don't want to tear it. Know what I mean? So first off, we are going to grab it in a heaping full of that mozzarella cheese. Lay it right there on top of that tortilla. Grab some of that good, well seasoned up chicken. Put it there as well. Last but not least, actually, before we even put the cilantro and the onion, we are going to add in some more mozzarella because we trying to have this bad boy extra cheesy, if you know what I mean. Then we're gonna get that onion and cilantro and throw that in there as well, okay? Then you're gonna fold up your burrito just like you would fold up a burrito, put it to the side. You're gonna do that until you have all your burritos ready to go so we can fry these bad boys up. All right, so we have our oil nice and hot. Go ahead and drop that right up in there and let it sizzle, let it go, guys. My goodness, I cannot wait for you guys to try this one, guys. It is so good because you have that beautiful crispy exterior, you have that juicy, well seasoned up inside, and when you dip it in that sauce, come on now. I'm trying to let you know. I'm trying to inform you, okay? Beyond let you know, man. We try to be informative over here. All right, guys. Look how beautiful, you know, that looks right there. Look at the beautiful exterior, the beautiful crust that we have on this here. Come on now. Stop playing with me. Look at this. This is perfection. This is beauty. This is flavor. This is love, guys. For real, for real. Bust that bad boy open, man. And the only reason you ain't seen that crazy cheese pull, because, you know, while you filming and stuff, this stuff has to sit for a little while because, you know, you got to take pictures, this, that, and the third. And it's not piping hot at this moment, but believe me, when you bust that thing open while it's piping hot, you gonna get that extra cheese pull, okay? Go ahead and dip it in just like so, and go ahead and take you a bite, man, and just close your eyes and enjoy, because it is so good, so much flavor in this Birria chimichanga, guys. This just takes Birria to the next stratosphere, guys. I'm trying to let you know, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did, because man, my stomach is so full right now from eating these yummy Birria chimichangas. I will see you on the next video. Deuces.